So you will need a scissors, 2 pieces of 30 centimeter string or twine, a kitchen roll, 4 fake flower petals, 2 pet safe wooden rings, a handful of beads. Let's get started. You want to take the string and the ring and then loop the ring into the string or loop the string into the ring like this. Then take your kitchen roll and cut it into pieces. Take a knife and pierce 2 holes into the kitchen roll. Be very, very careful. Then you want to thread your twine or string into the kitchen roll. Put one in each, so now you have 2. Then you want to take a bead and just thread it through. After you have about 4 or 5 beads on each, you want to then take the fig flower petal Then you want to take the other ring, the second ring, and do exactly the same that what we did just before. Like so. So now you have 2 identical. And then you want to just tie both of them together. And then you just want to tie it just like this. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to share it, like it, and subscribe. Bye. Hope you enjoyed. See you.